You guys know I'm not giving up on that. Right here, right now. Okay, ready? Nobody saw that? Please. All right, guys, I'm out here today at the Concord Skate Park in beautiful, sunny California.
Yep.
And I'm gonna try and learn a freestyle trick on this bank. So the trick I'm gonna try and do is I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna try to do like a varial heel flip into Casper and then come back like that. If I get that too easy, I'm gonna try probably some different variation of that. So I don't have my freestyle board today, I just have my normal skateboard. And normally on a freestyle board, to do a Casper trick, you put a little grip tape here. That's the pro tip, right? So I'm actually gonna be on the nose, so I need it here. So I did this trick as a short the other day, and a lot of people were complaining, Aaron, your toe was off. So I'm gonna try and get it to a point where, it's funny because the graphic even, especially on the bank, where my toe is not hitting the ground so much and I can do a proper Casper. So I think I'm gonna warm up to this with like a kickflip Casper, just a straight one, before we get into varial heel. So let's see what we got. In fact, I just started skating, so I'm gonna do a warm up. Ollie, ankle already hurts, still hurts. Don't get old, kids, it's not worth it. Kickflip, ah, that hurt the ankle. At least I landed. Now we're gonna go up and try the Casper. This is always a weird trick because you gotta catch it on the tail and slide it back. Casper. See, like, does that count? So I don't even know if that counts because I don't know if my foot was perfectly only on the tail like that, not at all on the ground. But I'll tell you, it felt pretty good. It felt pretty cool to me, which I guess is the point. See that? My foot was totally on the ground, almost completely. Let's get my tail back in place. Let's give this another go. Okay, ready? Okay, now that's the other problem. I think there's two ways to make a Casper bad. That was one of them. So my front foot here, underneath it, touched the ground like that. I think that's like the ultimate Casper no-no. Because you can land like that, and you can still sort of like land the trick, quote unquote land, but your foot's on the ground. That's not Casper. Casper's like up, right? Okay, let's get it. I need grip tape on the bottom. I'll take it. Leave it in the comments below if that counts, guys. Might be easier off the nose. Woo-wee! I need somebody in my life to do this into a Casper slide. Varial heel flip Casper, please. Okay, so I'm feeling pretty good about the kickflip Casper, feeling decent about the catch and land on there. Now it's time for the varial heel flip rotation. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna put my foot kind of like almost in the middle a little bit. Pop it, flick it. And then it essentially goes, my feet go from here to here and then back. What do you give me for first try, Derek?
Get you something from Home Depot.
Home Depot? No way. I thought you were gonna say like Jamba Juice, but I do need a new fence, so let's go to Home Depot, I'll get a brand new fence. First try, I got this, right? Dang it, I'm so nervous about Home Depot. Okay, let's run it. It's amazing to me, like, let me try this on flat. Like, why is the bank so much harder? Shouldn't the bank be maybe even a little easier? It's that motion of rolling up that's, I feel like is messing with me, but maybe I just suck. Okay, come on now. I gotta really get that heel flip. Maybe, you know, I should warm up with a single heel flip. Just one though. If I do two, it's way too many. No way, get out of town. I don't know why the heel flip of all tricks. Like kick flip hurting the ankle, I understand. Heel flip, I don't get it. All right, right here for the people in the back. Woo! You know what drives me nuts? Dirt on the grip tape. Does it drive you nuts too? Can't handle it. Leave it in the comments below. Come on, people now. There we go. Heel flip mania. All right, varial heel Casper, first try. Okay, close. It's weird, I feel like some days I just got this and some days I just don't. Nobody saw that, nobody saw that anywhere. Closer though, I'm getting there. Such a weird trick, I'm telling you. Come on, Aaron. You know what else I would love to do? Is like varial heel. Like all of it, like with the Casper in the air. Sick, right? Need to bend my back knee, lift it up more, give the board more time to spin. All right then. First try, let's go. Let's go. 2 to make it true. For that person on the couch just behind you. Horrible, but we're gonna take it. This is practice. And now all of a sudden in Concord, California, it's 3,000 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna go fakie in, then I'm coming forward for pure glory. Oh yeah, that's gonna happen, Debo. Oh, it's so weird. I feel like all of my upper body weight's like forward like that, and I just completely miss the board behind me, which is a very common thing with my heel flips to begin with. Derek, tell me what I need to hear.
You can't do it.
I can't what?
You can't do it.
What? What'd you say? Okay, fight me. Can't do it, he said. Can't do it? Can't do this. Rick, I can't do it. You're right, I can't do it. I suck. Since when did I suck so bad at skating? Didn't I used to be good at this? Okay, that's the worst try yet. This brings me back. I gotta remember, I need to believe that I can do it. I need to think I can right here. That's why I like when people tell me I can't, because I'll instantly go like, can't what? Yeah, I can, watch this. All the haters, leave it in the comments below, because I will never give up, no matter how many tries it takes. Oh boy, let's go! First try! That was a prime example of though, like when I'm doing the trick, it's all happening so fast. I can't tell like how much of my foot is on the ground. Is it good? But that definitely felt cool. And I want to find like a real good street spot. Film this trick for my video part. What do you think? Okay, I'm gonna try and clean it up. Let's go. Dang, sometimes it just flips so stupidly. Closer, closer. Yeah! No! We got this, right, Derek?
Mm-hmm.
What was that? Do not show that to my wife. She'll disown me. Dang it, bro. Sometimes I do a trick and I just sort of understand how it felt, how it worked, and I just do it again. That's not happening right now until this second. So I completely changed my mind. You ready? We're gonna get it. Shoo! Derek, what happened? I don't know. I don't know what happened. Okay, it's flipping nicely. It's not fully on the way I'd like it to be, but we're getting closer. I should have brought my freestyle board. What was I thinking? I think I'm gonna become a freestyle skater, full blown. Okay, we got this, right, D?
Yes, sir.
Right here, last try. Horrible. Okay, let me just visualize this for a minute. Okay, I got that. Let's go. Right here, me and you, right now. I'm putting my back foot down too early. Bend the back knee, let it breathe, give it time, let the board spin. I think that was it, Derek! 2 to make it true. Dang, I think that was good. I'm gonna run it back just to make sure. Frick! I got way too excited. I need to breathe a little bit afterwards. Woo! I'm getting exhausted up here. Okay, 3 more tries. We can land it. Try 1. Try 2, that's it, last try. You guys know I'm not giving up on that. Come on, give me a break. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna take it. Okay, I did about 3 of them. That was super fun. I hope you guys are enjoying watching the process of me learning a trick. I'm doing this to hopefully inspire you to get out there, ride your skateboard, and you learn a new trick. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com to start skateboarding, progress, learn how to go fast, and we're working on some very cool special projects that you will hear about soon. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you at the skate park.